According to a post on the event's dedicated website, Tesla has officially closed enrollment for its Gigafest County Fair Festival in the soon-to-be-completed Gigafactory Berlin. We appreciate your attention. Pre-registration for our Gigafactory Berlin-Brandenburg County Fair is now closed. All pre-registration requests are presently being processed. However, tickets will not be guaranteed due to capacity limits and significant demand in the event, and invited visitors will get entry tickets by the beginning of October, the automaker noted on its Gigafest website. Tesla CEO Elon Musk stated in October 2019 that the electric car maker located in Northern California would open its third vehicle production site in Germany's heartland. Tesla purchased an extensive tract of land in the German state of Brandenburg for a bargain, developed it, and directed a virtually finished factory on it in just 22 months. Last month, Mr. Musk stated that Tesla aims to begin producing Tesla Model Y at its Gigafactory Berlin in October, assuming government permission is actually granted. At the same time, the CEO said that Tesla would conduct a county fair to commemorate the occasion. Then, on the 9th of October, Tesla officially opened pre-registration for Gigafest at Giga Berlin, an event that would allow inhabitants of Berlin and Brandenburg to join the automaker for a county fair. It will be a huge achievement for Tesla. On the 9th of October 2021, Tesla will welcome citizens of Berlin and Brandenburg to a county fair at its Gigafactory in Grünheide. Join us for a tour of the world's most advanced electric vehicle manufacturing facility. During the factory tour, you will get the opportunity to view what's going on in the background, visit surrounding corners, participate in various exercises, and ride in the Model Y, Tesla's most recent electric vehicle to arrive in Europe. In addition, local food trucks will provide refreshments throughout the event. The organization wrote on its website, along with the pre-registration framework provided. The group had started registration for the event, which will usher in a new era for Tesla and Europe as a whole. Citizens of Berlin and Brandenburg will be given preferential treatment, while residents of other European countries can also apply for registration. Locals will be preferred because the group may be able to accommodate roughly 3,500 people. On the other hand, Tesla will concentrate on tickets for residents of the Berlin and Brandenburg regions. Tesla allowed 2 people, adults, and up to 4 children, kids, under the age of 16 to attend a single party that included tours of the factory. Visitors can also take a ride in Tesla Model Y. On the 9th of October, the county fair will be open from 10 a.m. until 7 p.m. Tesla will provide a shuttle service for visitors' accommodation. Regular transportation to the event venue will be available from the Fangschleuse railway station, available with the Deutsche Bahn's RE1. They will also return attendees to the train station after the event. The organization will provide adequate parking for vehicles, with details to be released later. Visitors will also be required to agree to the significant guidelines similar to the ongoing pandemic, which is critical. Guests may be allowed to enter the event if they meet certain standards and provide correct identification at the entrance. Evidence must be submitted on paper or through the approved app. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, revealed his goals before commencing the county fair and factory tour in full force. The occasion will be endorsed in front of the underlying creation stages at the processing plant. After only 21 months on the job, Tesla is on track to begin producing its electric automobiles at the facility. The work is not finished yet, and when Tesla starts manufacturing, it won't be a finished office in any case. In the following years, the company plans to add a battery plant to the office, but for the time being, Tesla will deliver battery cells to the facility from Fremont, California, to complete the assembly of the vehicles. Tesla Gigafactory Berlin-Brandenburg will unquestionably be the most progressive, high-volume electric vehicle manufacturing plant on the planet. Beginning with Model Y manufacturing at launch, Elon Musk will probably set up unique vehicle plans and designs for Germany's overall business sectors. The company was recently required to request a waiver to conduct such a significant event. In total, Tesla expects to welcome roughly 9,000 guests. COVID-19 limits in Germany, on the other hand, prohibit big rallies of up to 5,000 persons. According to some reports, Tesla will receive the waiver in time for the event on the 9th of October. Later this year, Tesla plans to start producing vehicles at the Gigafactory Berlin. In addition, Tesla has been shipping cars from its Chinese manufacturing plant, known as Gigafactory Shanghai, to Europe to keep European citizens from waiting too long for their electric vehicles. For example, Model Y crossovers are now being shipped to Europe from China. According to local media reports, the first batch of roughly 7,000 made-in-China Tesla Model 3 vehicles will begin shipping to Europe shortly. Tesla China hosted a ceremony at Gigafactory Shanghai to mark the first batch of all-electric vehicle experts. The automobiles waiting to board the ship to Europe were captured on camera, writing out the word Tesla on the port, indicating the region's enthusiasm for the Chinese-made Tesla Model 3s. Meanwhile, Mr. Musk has compared the batteries that emerge from these plants to bullets. They are indeed aiming for the battle. We haven't even touched on the 4680 battery's efficiency yet. Don't take anything here as gospel. It's not official, and a lot of information out there turns out to be false. But images, if you can believe your eyes, are reasonably reliable. Tesla is well known for preferring to manufacture its components to avoid reliance on other manufacturers, which directly results from how Mr. Musk views and approaches his work. This is in stark contrast to the big two, Ford and GM, who contract out every vehicle component they can. Still, as probably the only automotive manufacturer that makes its seats, Tesla was enthused about an exclusive look into a unique factory in the automotive industry. Tesla has not only taken seat manufacturing in-house, but has also brought battery manufacturing in-house as well. Its seat manufacturing has also benefited from the automation for which it has become known in the industry. This automation has resulted in the automotive industry's most automated lower seat assembly ever. Tesla's seats have improved significantly. The same can be said for their in-house electric motors, gearboxes, and suspension components. As a result, it's only natural that Mr. Musk would like Tesla to create its vehicle batteries, rather than having a vendor make them to their specifications. Tesla has enough battery demand to please Panasonic, its initial Gigafactory partner. The original battery size is used by the Powerwall batteries and larger battery packs for utilities, among many other things. Better batteries for its automobiles and trucks, on the other hand, were desired, and there will be greater output. The Kato Road facility is Tesla's prototype battery facility for the forthcoming Tesla 4680 vehicle battery production. It's in Fremont, adjacent to the original Tesla car facility bought from a former partner, Toyota. A Tesla battery factory is also being built in Giga Berlin, initially labeled as a warehouse to obtain provisional building permissions from German bureaucracy by fax machine. According to Tesla, all of the high-speed production equipment pieces for Germany and Giga Texas have been ordered based on the designs perfected at the Kato Road prototype manufacturing facility. Here is an aerial shot of the Tesla battery factory in Texas. It's worth noting that it's progressing faster than Tesla Giga Berlin. The important news is that the Tesla prototype Kato Road battery factory's reliable yield is now said to be high enough for viable production. As the battery output speed increases, some production processes are smoothed out. Battery testing, vehicle installation design, and inventories for forthcoming and nameless vehicles use the current output, Cybertruck, Tesla Semi, and many others. A battery cathode manufacturing plant in Texas is just getting started. It will turn raw materials into usable cathodes to provide the first-year capacity of 500,000 automobiles. In addition, a new South Carolina mine will provide some natural cathode materials as well. These plants will build the Tesla 4680 battery. For those who are not keeping track, which will most likely become one of two standard Tesla batteries. It is a steel jacket battery that will serve as a structural component between the front and rear chassis castings, marking yet another Tesla industry first, with the production at each site starting at batteries for 500,000 vehicles. The two factories will have a combined production capacity of 1 million vehicles. Elon Musk has described the batteries that emerge from these plants as bullets. They are, however, aiming for the competition. We haven't even touched on the 4680 battery's capabilities yet. And now, watch this next video about other Tesla news and updates.